Hi, I'm Trudy Swan.
I'm Anna Walters.
We're volunteers for Bays Mountain, and we're here to share some information about one of our favorite insects, the butterfly.
I'd like to start off talking about the life cycle of a butterfly. The butterfly has 4 separate cycles in their life. So it starts off with mating, the male and the female mate, and they have eggs. And they put the eggs on the back of a leaf. And the eggs eat the leaf, and they become stronger. And then the eggs turn into a caterpillar. Everybody knows about caterpillars. And the caterpillar hatches from an egg in about 3 to 12 days. And once it comes out of the egg, the caterpillar begins to eat leaves. And many different caterpillars eat many different types of leaves. After the caterpillar continues to eat, the caterpillar then encases itself in a jade green shell. And this camouflages the shell from birds that would normally eat the caterpillar. And it hangs upside down on a branch. As the caterpillar develops, it turns into what's called a chrysalis. And this is the 3rd stage. And the chrysalis, again, it's maturing, it's transforming, and finally the butterfly is mature and it breaks out of the chrysalis. And they unfold their wings and they let them dry. And once they are dry, the butterfly can fly. After 2 to 5 weeks, the adult butterfly will start the whole cycle over again with new eggs. And that's the life cycle of a butterfly. Trudy, you want to talk to us now about specifically a monarch butterfly and the fact that it only eats milkweed?
Yes, butterflies are very important parts of our environment. And butterflies have a special relationship with plants called mutualism. Mutualism is a type of symbiosis where both benefit. Butterflies need food, plants need to spread their pollen, and so they both benefit from that relationship. We can help butterflies survive by planting lots of flowers around our home. Some butterflies will only eat one kind of plant, and a monarch is a good example of that. Monarchs will only feed on milkweed. A female will lay 1 fertilized egg underneath a milkweed leaf. And by putting just 1 egg there, that helps ensure that more eggs will hatch. Now, when that egg hatches and the caterpillar starts to eat the leaves, by the time it's fully grown, it will have increased its weight 2,700 times. Can you imagine if we did that, how much we would weigh right now? So once it is in that stage, another benefit of the milkweed is that the milkweed contains a poison or toxin. Now that doesn't really bother the caterpillar, but a predator will think twice about eating a caterpillar because of that poison. Now I brought some seeds that I'm going to leave with Naturalist here of milkweed seeds, because the more of this we can plant, the more we can help the monarch butterfly. And in each bag are directions on what to do with the milkweed seed. So if you've got a little spot around your house, you can throw those seeds out. Or if you've never made a seed tape, it's pretty easy to do that. And I'll show you how to make a seed tape. So if you're lucky enough to have toilet paper that you can spare for this little project, what I did is I cut the toilet paper down the side, and the directions tell me that I should space the seeds about 2 inches apart. And the nice thing about a seed tape, if I do that, then I don't have to worry about those seeds overcrowding. So I'm going to use the Sharpie and just mark off, put a dot about every 2 inches, however long I want to do that. And Elmer's glue works great for this. And I kind of broke the top of that, but you just put a dot, I can get a dot there, on each one of those. And then what I will do, there's a lot of static electricity here, but You can use tweezers, but essentially what I want to do is I want to put one seed in that glue. And I'll do that all along my strip. Once it's dry, I'm going to take that strip, I'm going to put it out in my garden where I want to plant them, cover it with soil, water it. I don't have to worry about the toilet paper. It'll dissolve and it'll be evenly spaced. Now I can do that method for my milkweed. I could also do it for vegetable seeds, flower seeds. If I've got a lot of seeds, when I'm done I could wrap it around an empty roll and just save it for later. But the nice thing about doing this is I'm going to have them evenly spaced, and I don't have to worry about trying to thin the seedlings out. So I think Anna's got a few more things to say about butterflies.
Yeah, I've got some did you know facts. Did you know, Trudy, that Antarctica is the only continent that does not have butterflies on it?
I did not know that.
Did you know, Trudy, that butterflies taste with their feet?
I think I've heard that before.
That would be kind of awkward, I think. And then finally, you know the Tennessee state butterfly?
I didn't until I took the Master Naturalist class, and I missed that question on the final test. But then I learned it.
Tennessee swallowtail. Zebra swallowtail, sorry. So, thank you very much for participating.
And hopefully you can pick up some seeds from one of the naturalists
And
here.
support butterflies. Thank you.
Thank you.